A warm welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing really great. And let me just dive into my topic today. Okay, the lesson that again you can say have relearned it, because sometimes we do know something and then we forget, and then we are like, again the life tells you, you come to know about it through somebody else as well. So around a week ago, like last Saturday, I met one of my schoolmates. Like, she was there in contact till the 10th standard, and then slightly in 11th and 12th, and then the contact got lost. So this means she had a lot of plans, like, lot of rules, like, she had made for herself. I'll do this, I'll do that. And she later on, like, I met her, I think, once or twice while we were working in a bus. And that time again, she had told me, I'll do this, I'll do that. Even in this whole, she was in a relationship with somebody, and I'll be doing this and I'll be doing that. Like, whatever the rules were set, like, by herself, because she was very disciplined girl who used to follow, as whatever she used to set as a rule, she used to be following it thoroughly, like cut to cut, you can say. And now, when I met her recently and I asked, because I faintly remember some of the things that she had told, and I said, how is this thing going on? What about this? Like, whatever she had told me. And eventually, like, from the conversation, when she was telling me how the things are, I came to a conclusion that whatever rules probably she had set for herself have been like, they're nowhere. uh, the person with whom she is, I don't know, maybe it's smart or it is out of whatever affection, love, that whatever she said, or whatever she said that she would do, or however she'll be going through certain things, those rules are nowhere to be seen. you know it looked like somebody has very cleverly made her bend the rules, and probably when she knows it, she has probably realized it. And definitely, when you are not, like, in terms with whatever you had said before, people do try not to get into it much. So this is something else I have, learned. I had seen this happening at professional level, and now observing happening it at many people's lives at their personal level as well. If you are with some, I can call them as a smarter people, who might initially, before you get into any sort of agreement, professionally or personally, they are like okay with the rules. You might say, this is this are the things which we will need to follow. And initially, before the whatever the union happens, people are like, okay, yes, I'll do this, you are saying this, yes, I'm okay with this also. But eventually, as the years progress, or the whole thing is, like, going ahead, slowly they start, making you bend your rules. And it's not done in a very very rigid way. It is done in a probably very smooth way, little by little. Can we just do this way, just this much? And then it goes ahead, and then, can we also do this thing again? You will be like, whatever, get into sugar coated words, and you'll again be bending your own rule. And eventually, bending, sometimes the rule itself is broken. you know and whenever that time comes that you reflect upon, and you are like, why did I break something that I had set for myself? It can happen even among, I think, with youngsters, among friends. Some are very disciplined, and they are having their rules set, and then they get into some group where people, again, that whole atmosphere starts over there, wherein, like, it's little by little the things get amended, or they make you, bend down. So I think, as when you have hit certain age, and you realize the importance of giving value to the rules that you set, to the words that you speak, it is important that we do not, do anything such that they're completely going out of the window. Because when you stop respecting your own rules, and when somebody else realizes that, it is easy for them, might not be very easy, but there is a way out to get, to get you to break the rule. Once they realize that they are going to implement that same logic everywhere, your one rule gets broken, your second rule gets broken, and that whole process you realize that whatever you set for yourself, might be sometimes goals also are not getting attained, your milestones are also like out of the way, and there's a little bit of, sometimes little bit, sometimes a lot of disappointment coming your way. So yeah, just be careful when this process of breaking the boundaries sometimes, or I think mostly it will be rules, like you set a rule for yourself so that you can attain some goal, or you have something fixed in your mind that you want to work as per this thing. But breaking those things and going above them is also giving somebody else who is trying to make it break and is successfully able to do that an upper hand in your life. Because people are people. Everyone wants their life to go as per their rules or as per how they feel it is right. And when it is a union between any two things, or even a company, and see, if it's a company and if it's an employee, definitely the company will try to do the things which are beneficial for them, right? Nobody is gonna be like so much thinking about you. Similarly, when it is a union between two people, no matter how much of whatever you say is there, love and affection and respect and all, there is this inherent thing in a human being that they want to win it. You know, if it is something conflicting, there will be one person who has the more urge to win it rather than to come to a normal level. Where it is win win, not like win and lose. So be careful, especially be careful at the start, because once the bending down starts, people do expect you to keep bending until probably it is broken, and again it might be like completely gone off, and you might not even realize that what you have done is like something what you didn't initially wanted to do, or something that you had discussed with the other party that you won't be doing it. Okay, so yeah, be careful about some people as well, and about some techniques and strategies of what people employ on you. Okay, have a good day and see you next week. Bye bye.